Hey there, I'm coming to you live today from Mountain Ear Hearing, and my name's Samantha. I'm the provider here. Today's topic is what's the cost of a hearing evaluation? Well, first off, our hearing evaluations are free to you as a patient and as a new patient. We do that in order to help people not to get so anxious about coming in to have their hearing checked. Most people, it takes them a long time to step into the doorway. It helps that a loved one has coaxed them and convinced them to come, and then knowing that they're not going to have a charge that day is kind of a relief to them. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Our hearing evaluations are free, and we do them annually. If you come in and you find that you don't have a hearing loss, then we'll schedule you next year for your annual test, and we'll see you in a year. It's good to have a baseline. Some facilities do charge, and I've done just a little bit of research trying to get around an average price. Anywhere from $90, $100 to $150 is a charge for a hearing evaluation. But like I said, ours is free. We're going to take a walk over here in our office, and I'll show you what our hearing booth kind of looks like. This is it right here. And I always make sure that if you're claustrophobic, we check and make sure that you're not claustrophobic. And so you've got your buttons and everything, and the door's closed, and then you can see out. This right here is where I sit, and this is where I sit and perform the test. And I can talk to you over your headset, and you can hear me. So like I said, if you know someone that needs a hearing test, it's absolutely free. Give us a call or sign up today online for your free hearing eval, and we will check it out and see how we can best fit your needs. Take care. Have a good day.